game being aggressive and starts off with a boundary over covers.
My oh my, what a shot that is. Slower ball, high, handsome, 6, out of the ground.
That's a massive, what a way to bring the 300. I think it's gone out of the ground.
That's massive. That's 6 more. That would have been 6 on any cricketing ground in the world. But like you said, aren't we lucky that it's here in Kathmandu, in Nepal? And that is another one. It's even more amazing. We're running out of adjectives up here. It's simply awesome. How can you not love this team? How can you not love this venue?
Have that. And that's the big shout and given.
And there is the moment. Move over. Rashid Khan into the history books goes.
What a cricketer he has been for Nepal for a number of years. Look at this again. It got the toe of the bat.